Enough!
Let's kick things up a notch.
Welcome to the 23rd Tri-Annual Pac-Man Regional Championships. Can I get a waka waka?
Waka waka, chop chop chop.
I'm so packed full of excitement. Miru, Pac-Wiz, thanks for coming with me.
Pac, my boy, how else was I going to fill my bag of screams?
We do not care.
Oh, the spectacle, the teamwork, the food. No wonder Pac-Ball is so popular.
Will the Pac villagers soon be sent packing? Or did you bite off more than they can chew?
Kick it to the moon, big dogs!
You gotta be kidding me.
That melty popsicle stole the ball.
Hey, pallet head, I'm a ghost.
Oh, they're booing. They love us.
Security!
First of all, I'm a rat. He needs some milk!
Love some. Not. Hey, Pac fans! Don't pack up yet.
Mom, what up? What up? What up? Did I just get ghosted?
Wait! My nephew has been haunting me for an autograph!
Oh, Packer Jacks.
Good couple me.
Hello?
Game over for the both of us.
Aw.
Waka wowza! You really kicked their keisters! Too bad the ball got busted.
Hey, kid! You ever think about going pro? Have I ever? Let's roll!
Pac villagers are the new champions!
I just did a boom boom.